Hello lovely people! Kamusta na kayo? Sharing to you my today's story. Ngayon kasi meron kaming pasok sa school ni Rafael at saka ni Kuya. So ito yung outfit check namin. Kailangan sobrang ready kami dahil sobrang lamig today dito sa Finland. Officially winter season na kasi dito. We are living here in Finland for almost 10 months. Dinala kami rito ng husband ko because he is working here for almost 6 years. And syempre, para magkakasama na kaming buong pamilya. Sobrang lamig talaga ngayon guys kasi ngayon is -2 degrees. And officially kasi winter season na dito sa Finland. So ito na ang lagi naming eksena tuwing umaga pagpapasok kami ng school. Pag ganitong season talaga guys, maaga kaming umaalis ng bahay and maaga ring bumababa si Kuya Sedi para ayusin yung sasakyan. Kasi sobrang daming snow na nakakover sa sasakyan and kailangan niya munang alisin lahat bago kami bumiyahe. Ayan nga, kahit todo talaga tanggal na si Kuya Sedi ng mga snow na napunta sa sasakyan, tuloy pa rin ang snow. So papasok na kami and ang una naming ihahatid sa school ay si Rafael. Eto na nga at mag-start na kaming bumiyahe para sa pagpasok namin sa school. Dito nga pala sa Finland, winter months are December, January, and February. The weather is also cold in November and March. The temperature is often below 0 degrees Celsius in winter and it can even fall to below 20 degrees Celsius. Andito na nga pala kami sa school ni Rafael. And sobrang thankful talaga ako dahil dito siya nag-aaral. Na-vlog ko to nung nakaraan at napakita ko kung ano yung environment na meron sila. Sobrang thankful ko kasi in here, sobrang lovely and nice ng mga teachers. And hindi lang yun, halos lahat ng gamit na kailangan nila nandito na sa school nila. And another good thing in their school and sa lahat din kasi ng schools dito sa Finland is they provide free lunch sa mga students. Eto na nga guys, at hinihintay na ako ni Kuya Sedi. And of course, there is ice everywhere and ice on the road is a real possibility. Kailangan talaga dahan-dahan lang kami sa pagbabiyahe namin dahil medyo madulas yung daan. And despite of the lovely winter season, dito sa Finland, kailangan mo talaga magpalit ng winter tires because there is a law in Finland that says that all cars must have winter tires from November 1 to March 31. And syempre, you have to be aware that it's not just a good idea to have winter tires because it's a law here in Finland. And above all, syempre, you have to remember to drive carefully because winter tires aren't magic. And finally, nandito na kami sa school namin ni Kuya. We are studying kieli kursi or Finnish language here in Loksha. Dito nga pala sa school na to, hindi lang language course ang meron. They open doors to the world of vocational training. They train you to become top expert in the field by offering practical teaching, modern technology, and cooperation opportunities with companies in various fields. And after nitong language course namin ni Kuya, we can also choose the courses and programs that suits us and supports our career development and personal growth. Ayan, ang dami ko nang nakwento sa inyo guys. And another thing nga pala, itong school namin, gilid lang namin, is Metsä. Metsä means forest in Finnish language. And today, ayan yung mga classmates namin, dahil sobrang lakas ng snow, nagkulitan sila, naglaro sila dyan. And while they're playing, ayan, binidyoan ko talaga silang lahat. This is our break time actually. And syempre, balik school na naman ulit. Ang klase nga pala namin is from 9 a.m. to 1:40 p.m. And after school, lalakad na ulit kami ni Kuya sa parking. And tada! This is what is waiting for us. I'd really like to share this to you kasi ito yung araw-araw na eksena namin ni Kuya, ni Rafael at ako tuwing papasok kami ng school at uuwi kami during this winter season. Pag ganitong season talaga, you have to be really prepared and always have your ice scraper inside your car. Syempre, scraping snow, you'll probably spend few minutes brushing your car. And another thing, during winter season when you're driving, you have to keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Kasi nga, madulas yung daan. And syempre, we should always drive safely, diba? And finally, eto na nga at susunduin na namin si Rafael at sabay-sabay na kaming uuwi dahil sobrang lamig na talaga sa labas, guys. And hanggang dito na lang muna, lovely people. Thank you for watching my mini vlog and see you again soon. This is Ces saying bye-bye here from Loja, Finland. Kiitos ja mukava päivän jatkoa. God bless you all. Bye!